vegan of love. And today I'm exploring Fes Morocco, the Old Medina side. Going?
Now we're going to see the Jewish quarter.
Oh yeah, the Jewish quarter. There's a long history of Jewish people here in Morocco. Like another door to the king's palace. Muslims and Jews have lived together here for a very long time. That's really cool. Okay. American Funduk. Oh, I've seen this, but I didn't know that it was an animal hospital. So an American came here and she saw all of the stray animals on the street, and she wanted to make a hospital to take care of them. When was that?
This is American Funduk.
Like how long ago was that? Like
from 1925 or 24.
1925, 24. That's awesome. I'm so glad she did that. I saw a lot of cats while making this video. Try to spot all the cats in the video and count how many you can find. Place where they have a lot of different herbs and spices and henna. A lot of places with natural products. Look how beautiful it is. Shampoo. There's like Arabic writing on that one. Arabic letters. Must take a lot of work to make these.
Yes.
A lot of time.
It's just hard work.
Really hard work. Probably all hand painted. There's henna. Oh yeah. I think that's Louisa.
Yeah, this is the reason.
I wonder, do you know what that one is?
في ذكر بيعرف ده. ويا.
A natural eyeliner product. This is how it starts out, and then after you ground it into powder, it becomes this. Oh yeah, see.
This is stick.
Yeah, you use the stick, you dip it in the powder, and you have natural eyeliner. That's cool. And vegan. You don't have to worry about animal products at all because it's just from this natural stone.
Or chemical products.
Yeah, or chemicals. Purely from the earth. Oh, miswak?
Yeah, this
Miswak, oh yeah. So if you've seen the miswak sticks, usually during Ramadan, you take these and you rub it on your teeth so that you don't need to be using a toothbrush and toothpaste and all these products that are manufactured. Instead, you can use something completely natural and make your teeth clean like that. This shop probably has every oil that you can ever want for any purpose. So talk about holistic healing, natural healing. A lot of different plants combined to make a lot of different things. And then even natural like perfumes they make into bars and oils. So a lot of people will take these kind of natural perfume bars and put it like in their clothing drawers or in their closets or just in their home. And then of course there's oils that smell amazing. And then its natural form before they make it into a powder. This one is Louisa. I like to put it in my tea because it's really relaxing. A lot of Moroccan people, they give it to their babies to make them calm and when it's time for bed. Wow, beautiful place. Look at that. It looks like I'm walking in a palace. And he likes to play. Aww. So if you can't hear it already, that's a sound coming up of ting 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 hitting the metal. We're going to see metalsmiths. All the shops where they sell their crafts. So it's really cool because you see it made right here and then you just turn around and it's for sale right there, straight from the source, handmade. And this is generations of people teaching their sons and then them teaching their sons how to do it. Generations of people skilled in this metalsmith work. Thank you for being in my video. Hey, baby kitties. I got 2 at one time. Hi. People sometimes get water here. Local people can come, get a cup, get some water. It's really good for summertime.